Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming physical connections. Headphones or external mic plugged in and system volume up, not muted. Once done, open Zoom and join or start the meeting so settings apply live. Make sure you see the audio icon in the lower left. Click it to open audio options. This first step gives you access to select input and output devices, so you can change devices quickly and avoid being stuck with the wrong microphone when the call begins. Now focus on selecting the right devices. Choose your microphone and speaker from the drop-down. You should use test speaker to hear output, then test mic to record and play back your voice. This confirms both directions work. If your mic is too quiet, raise input gain in Zoom or system settings and lower it if clipping occurs. Make small adjustments and retest. Accurate levels prevent echoes and ensure participants hear you clearly without distortion. Finish by checking advanced options. Enable original sound if you need full fidelity audio for music, and disable noise suppression when it interferes. If problems remain, click Join Audio by computer again or try phone call as a fallback. This isolates software issues. Make sure Zoom has microphone permissions in your operating system, and if nothing helps, restart Zoom or unplug and reconnect USB audio devices. One troubleshooting tip: toggle permissions and restart the app. Many connection issues clear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.